Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can use NuGet packages inside our C# Windows 4 application. So what is NuGet packages? NuGet packages management system for Visual Studio. It make it easy to add, update and remove external library in our application. Using NuGets, we can create our own packages easily and make it to available for other. NuGet is a package management system for Visual Studio. We can add thousands of external library in our application and we can build our application faster and more robust. So how we are using NuGet packages? So let's start for this. Before that guy, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future notification. If you ended up liking my video, give me a thumbs up and share my video with your friends. Thank you. Let's start. For NuGet, Microsoft is giving a dedicated NuGet packages manager. You can say NuGet.org. We can create our application faster and more robust with NuGet packages. So how we are going to use NuGet packages? In my previous classes, I showed you the how we are using. You can see the menu controller, menu strip, our traditional menu strip. That's just like Notepad. Okay, so I don't want to use this kind of menu strip. I want to use a stylish menu, just like our MS Word, new MS Word Excel is coming. How we are using this kind of menu? It will this. I'm giving you example of a ribbon controller of NuGet packages manager. This will make your application, Windows Form application, more attractive and more user friendly. So before that, okay, you can see this is, if you run the application here, you can see this is a default Visual Studio icon is coming. First of all, I want to show you how we can change this icon, user defined icon. Let's say we are building our own application. We can build our own icon here. How? So I already download some ICO file, icon file. I will use this icon. So select the form, go to the properties. There is called the icon properties. Click on here, browse the icon. I'm selecting the icon here, and you can see it's changed here. If I change one more icon, you can see it's changing here. Run this application. So now you can see in the taskbar also, it will come this icon. So it will be look your application more friendly. So let's start with NuGet. For working with NuGet package manager, go to your solution explorer, right click on the project, manage NuGet packages. So as I said, told you, I'm going to use this ribbon form NuGet package to build my application now. It will give your application looks and feel very interactive. Just search the designated NuGet package manager, click on install, wait. Okay, you can see it got installed. After installing, go to your toolbox. You can find, in general, you can find some ribbon controller. These are not previously. This common controller menu bar up to WPF integrity, these are by default loaded. But after I added this NuGet package manager, this is coming. So what I am doing, I am dragging this ribbon to my application. So you can see here, just drag it to here and run this application now. So you can see a different kind of things is coming here. So I will add one by one menu. I will show you how. you can add revert tab. Here also you can add your own label, own button or combo box. Let's say I added a combo box. Here go to properties, collection. Here also you can add your own data. Okay, click on this button, one more button. So I'm selecting one by one, clicking one, going to properties. Let's say new file, go to properties, open file, go to properties, save file. So now see, run this application. If you come, look, it's just like your Office 2007 menus. So now we can use event. Let's say I am adding one more. Go to properties. Let's say I'm exit. So again go, double click on exit menu. Select this, go to properties, go to event, double click on here, and then for this I want to exit my application. Same programming as our before I showed you in my previous classes. The code behind the programming part will be same, but the look and feel of your application is too good. You can see now. That's an error, I think. No error. Let's say open file, go to properties, click open file dialog box, object called new open file dialog box, open file dialog box dot show dialog. Let's see it's working or not. You can see it's working. If you go to here, exit, it's working. So you know how we can use our own this type of designing from NuGet Package Manager. So just compare with our previous menu, like this menu strip. It's a traditional menu strip, right? So now you can see run the application. You can see the difference. This menu is our classic old menu, and this menu our new style menu. So if we use this type of menu, our application will look more good than old one. So user will automatically like these applications. Thank you guys. So I almost completed Windows Form tutorial. In my next video, I will discuss some interview question. So please stay tuned. I think tomorrow I am going to upload my next video of interview question, and from tomorrow onward I am starting ASP.NET tutorial. So guys, please follow and share my video with others. Thank you guys. Bye.